This is Gadgets Magazine TV, and here's the latest news.
Lenovo Legion welcomes gamers to its exclusive gaming community and rewards program called The Empire. Solely for owners of Legion devices, The Empire will grant members premier access to Legion merchandise, VIP entry to future Legion gaming events or tournaments, and first dibs on the latest news about the brand. Members of The Empire can redeem exclusive Legion merchandise by exchanging points obtained in weekly missions, which can be in the form of quizzes and surveys, or tasks such as liking and sharing Legion's social media posts or joining its events. Premium items up for grabs include limited edition Legion t-shirts, tumblers, and caps. More importantly, members gain access to Legion's newsletter for updates and other news on upcoming products. To join the Empire, gamers must visit legion.lenovo.com/empire, have one of the accepted models of laptops or desktops, and sign up for a Legion account. Only those 16 years old and above can create an account. They then have to upgrade their Legion account and provide additional information, including their Legion device model and serial number as proof of purchase. To celebrate the launch of the Empire and enable more people to enlist and enjoy the perks of being a member, Lenovo is offering select Legion devices at a discounted price as part of a limited-time promo called Welcome to the Empire. From July 18 to 31, 2020, customers can purchase select Legion products and save as much as 25,000 pesos.